Present teacher.
Children, in this video you are going to learn about pronoun. So what is a pronoun? So before knowing anything about pronoun, we have to know about noun. So what is a noun? I think you know about noun, right? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Noun क्या है? It's a name. Noun person, place, animal और thing का क्या है? Name है, नाम है. तो वैसे ही so here before knowing pronoun you have to know about noun, and after knowing noun only you will be understanding more about pronoun. So here a pronoun is a word that comes instead of a noun. So what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that comes instead of a noun. तो pronoun instead of a noun मतलब जो noun है sentence में उसके बदले में, instead मतलब उसके जगह में जो words आता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? pronoun. For example, here Kunal is my brother. So here this is a sentence, and in this sentence there is a noun which is Kunal. Kunal is the name of a person. Kunal क्या है? एक लड़का का नाम है. It's a special name, so it is noun. So यहाँ पे Kunal is a noun, and instead of Kunal, फिर से कुणाल के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं तो उसके बारे में जब दूसरे बार बात करते हैं तो we don't use the same name. We use the other word which is known as pronoun. For example, Kunal is my brother. He is 5 years old. So we are talking about Kunal. कुणाल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो कुणाल क्या है? मेरा भाई है. और फिर से हम क्या नहीं बोलेंगे कुणाल बार बार. We cannot use कुणाल again and again. So instead of Kunal we use the word he. So he is the word which is coming instead of a noun, that is Kunal. कुणाल की जगह में ही आ रहा है. कुणाल को कुणाल के बारे में बात करने के टाइम में हम दूसरा वर्ड यूज कर रहे, दैट इज he, and he is replacing noun. So he is pronoun. To know more about pronoun, we are going to read this paragraph, and this paragraph is written about two brother and sister. They are Kudrat and Rohan. So Kudrat is sister and Rohan is her brother. So Kudrat studies in class 2. Kudrat has many friends. Kudrat loves to go to school. Kudrat has an elder brother named Rohan. Rohan studies in class 4. Rohan loves her sister. So in this paragraph, as you can see also, there are some words which are written in red color. So those words are noun. And now see, here Kudrat and Rohan, the word Kudrat and Rohan have been repeated numbers of time. That means यहाँ पे जो पैराग्राफ है, यहाँ पे जो कुदरत और रोहन वर्ड्स है ये बार बार रिपीट हुआ है. Why? Because this paragraph is about कुदरत and रोहन. यहाँ पे कुदरत और रोहन के बारे में बात हो रहा है, इसीलिए वो लोग का वर्ड्स यूज बार बार हो रहा है. But there is an alternative way to represent the person in numbers of time. So that is Kudrat studies in class 2. So here Kudrat कौन सा क्लास में पढ़ता है? क्लास 2 में पढ़ता है. Now when we talk about the same person next time, we use the word he or she. That means the word he or she is representing the noun word. तो कुदरत के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, अब नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस से हम कुदरत के जगह पे दूसरा वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं जो वर्ड होता है pronoun. And instead of Kudrat, we are writing here she. So see, Kudrat studies in class 2. She has many friends. So here, by replacing the word Kudrat by she, the meaning of the sentence has not been changed. The only thing changed is the pronoun. So कुदरत के जगह में जब हम she लगाते हैं तो इसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होता है, सिर्फ उसका नाउन वर्ड्स में pronoun words यूज हो जाता है. So here also instead of Kudrat we can write she. So again and again we cannot take the name of the person or thing. So instead of taking the name of person or thing numbers of time, we can replace it with suitable pronouns. So she loves to go to school. Again Kudrat, instead of Kudrat we'll write she has an elder brother named Rohan. Now Rohan has been used once. Now from second time we can use pronoun word instead of the noun Rohan. So instead of Rohan we will write he. He studies in class 4. Again Rohan loves her sister. So again instead of Rohan we will write the word he. So in this way we can replace the noun words into pronoun words and without changing the meaning of the sentence or the whole paragraph. So as you can see that there are some words and some sentences written here. These are about the pronoun words. Let us see them. I is used to talk about oneself. So I is the pronoun word which is used to talk about oneself. So when you talk about yourself, you use the word I. Next is he. He is used in place of the name of a boy or a male noun. So he is used instead of the name of a boy or man or male animal. So for example, Raju is sleeping. So instead of Raju we can write he. So Raju is the name of a boy or a man. So instead of Raju we can write the word he. So he is used in place of name of a boy or male noun. Now she. She is used in place of the name of a girl or a female noun. Similarly, she is also used instead of the name of a girl or a woman. लड़की का नाम के बदले में हम जो word use करते हैं that is she. So next is it. It is used in place of name of an animal or a non-living thing. So it कब हम यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी नॉन लिविंग थिंग या फिर एनिमल को डिनोट करने के लिए नाउन को वो लोगों का नाम के इंस्टेड में प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं तो वो वर्ड क्या है इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज अ गुड प्लेस. सो इट इज used instead of the name of the place. So here they or we. They and we are the words which we can use instead of the name of the person or place more than one in number. So they and we is used in place of more than one person. So अगर एक से ज़्यादा लोग हो या तो हम क्या करते हैं, लोग हो या फिर कोई चीज़ हो, सामान हो, तो उसके बदले में हम जो वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं दे आर दे एंड वी. Replace the nouns with suitable pronouns. Now what you have to do here is there are the sentence given and there are some words which has been underlined. So see those words and you can give a suitable pronouns for those underlined words. For example, Radhika can bake cakes. So here the underlined word is Radhika. So Radhika, instead of Radhika, you can give the suitable pronoun and other things you can copy from the question here. So for example, Radhika can bake cakes. Here what you can write is she can bake cakes. So in this way you can do other exercises till the last number.